My name is Chrissy Twigg and I am the Managing Director of Healthier Weight. I started the company in 2003 with Dr. David Ashton. I knew that the work we were doing was important and I wasn't going to let the idea go.
There are lots of myths about obesity surgery, and probably the most important of these myths is the idea that obesity surgery is always dangerous. And that really is not true. With modern laparoscopic techniques, with modern devices, and especially with modern anesthetics, most bariatric procedures nowadays are actually remarkably safe. One of the crucial factors in good outcomes from surgical intervention, as you might imagine, is the skill and the experience of the surgeons.
I mean, my medical staff are a dream team. You can't find better teams.
We're very privileged in a Healthy Weight organisation to have one of the most distinguished bariatric surgeons, Professor Franco Favretti. He worked with the inventor of the gastric band, a man called Lubomir Kuzmak. And Favretti and Kuzmak worked together, and it was they and several others who actually invented the band. I think you can, with respect to weight loss surgery and these kinds of, particularly in relation to type 2 diabetes, I think you are entitled to talk about cures. For example, after gastric bypass, 85% of patients who are type 2 diabetics will be cured.
And well, can we guarantee weight loss? Yeah, we can guarantee weight loss. If you follow the rules, you will lose weight.
I was very nervous about the consultation and didn't know really about the ins and outs of it, and I was quite scared before I came to see Dr. Ashton. Coming up to Manchester, I made my husband drive around the block for an hour because I was so scared, which was really stupid because after seeing Dr. Ashton, he was very friendly, supportive, gave me all the answers that I needed and gave me the positive steps to go forward and have the operation. I've lost 84% of my excess weight. I'm much more confident, I'm not as tired, I don't have aching knees, and I absolutely love shopping for clothes.
We pay an enormous amount of attention to close monitoring, close support.
The post-care support from Healthy Weight Centre is absolutely fantastic. There's always someone on the phone 24 hours a day. I've often phoned late at night, early in the morning and weekends for additional support, and there's always someone to answer any questions or queries.
Because we know that an open door policy means a greater likelihood of success.
Approach the Healthier Weight Centre and see Dr. Ashton because you won't regret it.